Which of the following vitamins is particularly important for vision in humans? So we know that each letter vitamin has different functions in the body and are useful for different tasks. And specifically, there's one that is helpful for vision. So looking at the choices, vitamin A is in fact very useful for vision. There are different components within vitamin A that are useful for vision specifically. There's a molecule called retinol, which you might remember the retina, which is the back of the eye where there's photoreceptors, and this is absolutely interconnected with that because retinol is a compound that is present within photoreceptors, which allow us to detect light so we can see properly. Retinol also binds with other molecules called opsin, which forms rhodopsin, which sounds similar to something called rods. So if you remember rhodopsin, if you remember your rods and cones, the rods are the parts that detect light, which is necessary to properly have vision. So therefore, all of these uses, which are helpful for light perception, are absolutely linked to vision, and therefore vitamin A helps with vision. Hence, if you do not have enough vitamin A in your diet, there could be, under extreme cases, difficulty with vision, especially at night, and night blindness because there's less light at night. The other letter vitamins are useful for different functions in the body, and vision would not be its main purpose. So if we look at vitamin B2 as option B, this is also known as riboflavin, and this is important for cellular respiration. So therefore not for vision, and we can eliminate option B. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is important for the synthesis of collagen and major proteins, and a deficiency in vitamin C could therefore cause scurvy, which can manifest as bleeding gums and easy bruising. So important, but not important for vision, specifically in humans. So we can eliminate option C. Vitamin D is very important for bone health, and therefore we could have bone deficiencies, and you could have osteomalacia, which could cause a breakdown of bone. So very important for bone health, not necessarily for vision. So therefore eliminate option D, and therefore option A, vitamin A, would be the best choice for which is important for vision in humans.